You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty.
I've been all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste it in the pen. Average day is spent out in the streets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis, never sleep.
Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty. Say oh, taste
Hey guys, so this is some of the things that I got from the makeup fair here in Lagos. Let's start with this right here. This is the body glaze. This looks so nice on. Basically, this is like a gold color. And let's turn on the back so you can see. This is gleam. With this right here, you will use the brush, which they have this brush right here. And you would basically use this and you can like just rub this on your body. Okay, the next thing we have is from, and gleam, it came from the Tea Essentials. And then we have some mineral finishing powder. Also, let's see what's next. Okay, this is from the makeup fair. This is some oil control setting powder right here. And this is the box for the body glaze. And then next we got some vitamin C facial wash. We got little sponges, foundation right here. This is concealer. Then we have some Perfect Skin All Day, some more foundation. This is an eyebrow pencil. This is right here is a liquid eyeliner right here. Next we have, this is more like a D-Glow. And this is a highlighter. I got some more oil control lashes. This is from C Lashes. And I'm gonna put the website to all this in the description. Okay, this is makeup illuminating spray. And I don't know, in here you can see they have the little gold chips in there. Then right here is just sponges. This is cute for foundation. This is a cute pink. Also, I got a mirror. That's cute. Set and Go for your makeup. More lashes. And this is from MS Medics. Another little sponge for the makeup. This is okay. This is some eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. Let me see. This right here is a lip liner. Also, this is an eyeshadow palette right here. And what else I got? I got some eyelash glue. This is also a glaze. This is a glaze for your cheeks. It gives you a dewy highlight balm look. And this is called Candid Glow. And this is really nice. This gives you a really nice, like a bronzy look. And last, I end up getting this nice makeup case. Hey guys, so I have gotten a new camera, and with this new camera I'm trying to get the settings right so I can give you guys better quality, and because the lighting in this apartment is not really good. But anyway, I want to come back and say thank you for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.